Gartner says more than 40% of AI agent projects will be dead by the end of 2027. Canceled. Not scaled back, canceled. And if you're a Scrum Master watching the AI panic right now, that number isn't bad news. It's the opening nobody's talking about. I'm Abel Mendez, founder of Agile Career Forge. Let me show you why. Here's what Gartner actually found. Most of these projects aren't failing because the AI is weak. They're failing for three boring human reasons. Costs that balloon past the pilot budget, business value nobody can measure, and no real governance when an agent does something nobody expected. A demo works in a sandbox. Production runs inside real systems, real data, real accountability. That gap is where the projects die, and we've seen this exact movie before. ERP in the 90s, CRM in the 2000s, cloud migration in the 2010s. Same wave of hype, same wall of failed rollouts. The technology changes. The failure mode is remarkably stable. And every single time, the people who got promoted weren't the ones who could build the tool. They were the ones who could coordinate the mess around it. So think about the 60% of projects that survive. Who do they need? Someone who can run a team that's now half people, half agents. Someone who sets the guardrails before things scale. Someone who can finally put a number on the value, because Gartner says unclear value is what's killing the other 40%. Read that list again. Coordinate the team, set the guardrails, measure the outcome. That's not a new job description. That's a Scrum Master who evolved, one who stopped running ceremonies and started orchestrating delivery. When 40% of these projects collapse, the person who can coordinate humans and agents through the wreckage isn't at risk. They're the most valuable hire in the building. If you want to reposition yourself as that person, the coordinator, the surviving projects fight to keep, that's the work we do inside Lead Mastery at Agile Career Forge. The 15-minute discovery call is free. Links in the description. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity. Subscribe if you want the rest of this series. Next one's on the skill that actually saves you when your team goes half AI. I'm Abel Mendez. See you in the next one.